Good morning, children. How are you? We are learning about matter. Yesterday and day before yesterday, we have discussed all these things. Yes, children. Yesterday, we also done one activity: changes of states, ice to water, water to water vapor, and again back, water vapor to water, water to ice. Yes, children. And melting. What is melting? Process of changing a solid into liquid on heating is called melting. Yes, children. So next to boiling. Process of changing a liquid into gas on heating is called boiling. Till here we have discussed. Yes, children. Today condensation. What? Condensation. When gas is cooled, the molecules move close together and turn into the liquid again. This process of changing a gas into liquid on cooling is called condensation. Yes, children. Yesterday we have discussed what? When we heat water, water turn into water vapor. While heating the water, molecules are move around because while heating, intermolecular space is increasing so that molecules can move. Yes, children. So here, when we cool this water vapor again, intermolecular space is decreased. Yes, children. Intermolecular space is decreasing. Then there is no space to move freely these molecules. That's why these water vapor turn into liquid water when we cool. Yes, children. So process of changing a gas, that is water vapor, into liquid, that is water, on cooling is called condensation. Understand, children? Once again, what is condensation? Process of changing a gas into liquid on cooling is called condensation. See here. So this is what? Water vapor. We collect this water vapor, and when we cool, this water vapor become into water. Yes, children. Next, freezing. Cooling will change the liquid back into solid. This process of changing a liquid into solid on cooling is called freezing. Yes. We keep on cooling, these water become solid. Why? When we keep on this cooling, intermolecular space is decreasing. Then automatically these molecules are held together very tightly. They come closely. So automatically there is no space. What is the space? Intermolecular space. So intermolecular space is decreasing. In fact, not there. No intermolecular space. That's why they can't move and become a fixed shape. That is what? Solid. Solid shape. Ice. Yes, children. So this process of changing a liquid into solid and cooling is called freezing. See here. This is what? Liquid. Cooling. Then water turn into solid state. That is ice. So this process we call freezing. Yes, children. Next, solutions. What are solutions? See, the solid that dissolves in a liquid is called a solute. The liquid in which a substance dissolves is called a solvent. The liquid that we get after dissolving a solute in a solvent is called a solution. Stirring and heating increase the rate of solubility of a solid in a liquid. Generally, dissolving a solid in a liquid does not increase its volume because the molecules of the solute occupy the space between the molecules of the solvent. See, children, the solid that dissolved in a liquid is called a solute. For example, take sugar or salt or any. So these solids, these sugar or salt dissolves, means mix in a liquid is called solute, and the liquid in which a substance dissolved is called a solvent. So here water is a solvent because here sugar or salt dissolving in water. Yes, children, the liquid means water in which a substance dissolved is called a solvent. So here solute is sugar or salt any. Solvent here liquid substance, water or any. Yes, children. The liquid that we get after dissolving a solute in a solvent is called a solution. Yes, children. So, mix of solute solvent, mixture of solute solvent, then we call that solution. The liquid water that we get after dissolving a solute, here salt or sugar, in a solvent is called a solution. Understand, children? Stirring and heating. Stirring means moving with a spoon or with any instrument to mix. Yes, children. Or heating increase the rate of solubility. Solubility means the amount of a substance that will dissolve in a given amount of another substance. That is what? Solubility of a solid in a liquid. Yes, children. So, stirring and heating increase the rate of solubility. Generally, dissolving a solid in a liquid does not increase its volume because the molecules of the solute occupy the space between the molecules of the solvent. See, so here dissolve this sugar in water. Yes, children, but does not increase its value. Actually, when we mix a substance into another substance, automatically volume will increase. But here, these solid molecules occupy liquid's intermolecular space. That's why does not increase its value. Yes, children, here see, dissolving a solid in a liquid does not increase its value. Why? Because the molecules of the solute, what, children? sugar substance molecules occupy the space between the molecules of the solvent here liquid. Already we have discussed what in liquid there is more intermolecular space. Yes, children. So in this intermolecular space these solids molecules will occupy. Yes, children. That's why does not increase its value. Understood? Yes. Next, see. This is sugar solution. Already we have discussed. Okay, once again we see. Take a beaker or glass. Take some of the water and add some sugar. Stir well, and then we get sugar solution. See, children, here the volume of water up to here, and here also same. Why? These solid or sugar molecules occupy intermolecular space of liquid. That's why does not increase volume. Understand, children? Yes. So this is our lesson. Thank you.